Hey, what's up? It's Philip and welcome back to the channel. Let's download Teleprime from the official website. It's very important that you download from official website, because if you download from somewhere else, you'll probably get a virus. So let's go download Teleprime here and select it here. I put a link in the description of this video so you can easily access it. Hit download, go to desktop. After the download is finished, you can see in the top right corner, we can just click setup here, click install here. After that, after it's installed, click start Teleprime, and if it asks you for allow to Teleprime on our public and private networks, click allow, and over here click accept. And you can try it for free for educational purposes. You can reactivate your existing license or activate new license. Let's try it for free. Click here. And over here you can create company, select from the type of company, and so on and so on. And this is how you install Teleprime. I hope it was helpful to you. If it is, drop some comments and likes below, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.